Here is how to post an Instagram story from a laptop or PC. This guide will show you how to post an Instagram story using a computer, laptop, or PC. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Go to instagram.com and log into your specific account. Now you need to open the developer tools. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and here select more tools. Then after, from the menu that appears, select developer tools. Under dimensions, select any phone that you prefer. I'm going to select iPhone XR. Refresh your page and a plus icon with your story in the top left will appear on the screen. Tap on this button. Now select any photo or video that you want to post. Here you can add stickers, add any text, and also download this photo into your gallery. After that, tap on Add to Your Story option from the bottom of the screen, and this will indicate uploading. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to upload on your story. If the upload seems stuck, you can go back and refresh the page to confirm that it has already posted. Now, if you go ahead and access your story, you can see that the story has been posted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.